7-day alkaline juice therapy regime, morning and evening. Day 1 morning, green detox juice, 2 cucumbers, 2 green apples, handful spinach, 1 lemon, peeled, small piece ginger. Day 1 evening, cooling cucumber mint juice, 2 cucumbers, 1 lime handful, fresh mint, 1 apple. Day 2 morning, carrot citrus cleanse, 3 carrots, 2 oranges, peeled, 1/2 lemon, small turmeric piece. Day 2 evening, papaya Alkaline smooth juice, 1 papaya, 1 cucumber, 1 lime small piece, ginger. Day 3 morning, pineapple mint refresh, 1/2 pineapple, 1 cucumber handful mint, 1 lime. Day 3 evening, green alkalizer, 2 cucumbers handful, sucuma, wiki kale, 1 green apple, 1/2 lemon. Day for morning, beetroot glow, 1 beetroot, 2 carrots, 1 apple, 1/2 lemon. Day for evening, soothing aloe cucumber juice, 1 cucumber, 1 slice fresh aloe vera gel washed, 1 lime, 1 apple or pear. Day 5 morning, green energy booster, 2 cucumbers, handful sucuma, wiki or spinach, 1 apple, 1 lime. Day 5 evening, sweet melon flush, 2 cups honeydew or cantaloupe or watermelon if available, 1 cucumber handful mint. Day 6 morning, watermelon flush, 2 to 3 cups watermelon, 1 cucumber handful mint. Day 6 evening, pineapple carrot digestive juice, 1/2 pineapple, 2 carrots, 1 lemon. Day 7 morning, tropical alkaline blend, 1/2 pineapple, 1 mango, 1 passion fruit, pulp and seeds, 1 lime. Day 7 evening, golden glow juice, 2 oranges peeled, 1 carrot small piece turmeric, 1/2 lemon. Therapy guide. Morning juice, take on an empty stomach between 7 and 9 a.m. Evening juice, take 2 to 3 hours before bed between 6 and 8 p.m. Hydrate with warm lemon water throughout the day. Welcome for another touchy juice regime in our next clip.